nature is showing its full power this week. From devastating typhoons to desert ice, here are the most significant weather events currently unfolding across the globe. We begin in the Pacific, where Super Typhoon Sinlaku has slammed into the northern Mariana Islands. With catastrophic wind speeds 240 km per hour and heavy storm surges, the islands are facing widespread power outages and significant structural damage. Emergency teams are currently on high alert as the storm continues its path. In a startling contrast, the desert sands of Saudi Arabia were recently turned white. Massive hailstorms struck the regions of Medina and Al-Qassim. Footage shows the desert landscape completely blanketed in white, causing hazardous driving conditions and surprising locals with the intensity of the ice accumulation in an otherwise arid climate. Across the United States, the Midwest is reeling from severe weather. In Bedford, Ohio, a violent hailstorm recently tore through the area. Residents reported large hailstones that caused visible damage to vehicles and homes. The sudden intensity of the storm left many neighborhoods dealing with broken glass and dented rooftops. Moving north to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, torrential rains have triggered severe flash floods. Streets were transformed into rivers, submerging cars and trapping drivers, causing major disruptions to local traffic. Back in Mediterranean and Lubián, Zamora, emergency crews are battling aggressive forest fires. High temperatures and dry winds have fueled the flames, forcing evacuations across the region. Firefighters are working tirelessly to prevent the blaze from reaching nearby residential areas. Finally, a massive spring blizzard has caught Calgary and Southern Alberta off guard. Heavy snow and freezing temperatures have disrupted travel and daily life, proving that winter isn't ready to let go of the Canadian prairies just yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest coverage.